Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you what these ACS hood extractor vents look like on my car after they're installed. I have two of them, obviously. You have to cut into the hood to put them in, which is kind of obnoxious. I'm having them professionally installed, but they should help with cooling issues and as well look pretty cool. Now, they come painted carbon black metallic, but I already have a lot of black and red on the car already, and I didn't really want to add more black to it, so I'm going to have the shop that's going to be installing these paint match it red with my car. So it's going to take a few days, they said, to put in, so we'll see how they turn out. All right, just picked up the car from the shop. Took about a week and a half, but I am very, very pleased. They did an awesome job at paint matching. They look absolutely incredible. Happy I didn't go with a different hood and I just went with these. I got a little infrared thermometer and you can see if I put it on the hood, right about 100 degrees, 98, you can see it's already letting heat out and we're not even moving. When I'm parked at the traffic lights, I can actually see heat coming out of them, so I have no doubt that they're gonna work by creating negative pressure. But I hope this video helps people in the market for getting some ACS heat extractor vents put on their C7 Z06. I wanted to quickly throw this clip in here I pulled into my garage. This is the stock vent. I'm just going to test this one. We're looking at about 115, 120-ish. I can feel heat. Can't say it's like pouring out, but out of these, we're looking at about 152 because they're over the headers, I assume, and I can really feel the heat coming out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to make it because before I bought these, I couldn't really find any videos online of what they kind of look like after they were installed, especially the ones that were painted to match the body color of your car. Most of the people just leave them black, like I said, but I think the red look absolutely killer. And I have no doubt that they're going to help remove heat from this hot LT4 engine. So if you'd like to know more, I'll put a link below to where you can get these for your C7 Z06. Hope to see you in the next video.